Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about the rules for rounding off the numbers. What is rounding off and what's the need of that? Rounding off is a process to reduce the numbers but which is completely not considered as a significant figure. Like for example, I put one numerical value here. It's 5014. If I'm telling these are all are significant, so there's never significant figure value comes 4, and we know in significant figure we are calculating as all certain value and plus 1 uncertain value. But for the same value, same numbers, I'm saying there is a uncertainty is plus minus 10, means these two figures are uncertain. So here what's the significant figure value is comes for the same digit, its value comes 3, means this last one is not considered as a certain figure, significant figure. So here for this we use the rounding off process to remove the number which is not significant in any numerical value. So there are most important 4 rules are there while we are doing rounding off the numbers. The first rule of rounding off the number, it says if the digit is 2, the dropped is greater than 5, then add 1 to the last remaining digit. So like for example, I'll put one digit here. It's 5018, and we want to drop out the last one digit, this one, and we see it's greater than 5. So according to the rule number first, what we will do, we add plus 1 here, the last remaining digit. So values comes here is 502. Now a significant figure value is 3, and we'll remove the completely non-significant figure value from this numerical digit. So this is the rule number first of rounding off the numbers. Now we'll go through the rule number second. According to the rule number second, it says if the digit is to be dropped is less than 5, so then the last remaining digit is not changed. Like I'm considering the same digit, but last one it should be less than 5. It's 5 not 1 3. This 3 is less than 5. So according to the rule number second, we have to completely do unchange of any last remaining digit, means this one is not going to be changed. So the values comes 5 not 1, and the significant figure value for this is 3. So what's the rule number 3 for rounding off the number is that if the digit is to be dropped as 5, then the last remaining digit is left unchanged if it is even number, and whereas 1 is added if the last remaining digit is odd number. Means for example, I'll put one digit here, 5015 and 5065. Here the last digit is dropped as 5. So if the last remaining digit is completely unchanged if it is even number, and 1 is added if the remaining last digit is odd number. So here we can see in the first one the last digit is odd number, so means we have to add it plus 1 here. Now the digit come 5 not 2, and for this the last remaining digit is even number, so the values come for this numerical value is 506. This series will not be changed. This is the rule number 3 of rounding off the numerical value. Now I'll go through the rule number 4 of rounding off. According to the rule number 4 of rounding off the number, it says if during the rounding off more than one digit is to be dropped, then these are dropped one at time following the above rules. Means while we are doing the rounding off more than one digit, so we have to follow the all above 3 rules. For example, I put it one digit here. It's 2.12456. And if I want to rounding off the 3 digits here, so I can't do directly. I can't remove this 2 digit directly, and I'll put a direct result is 2.124. We have to follow all these 3 rules and apply on this same digit, and then we'll get our result. Like, see, if I want to rounding off this digit in 3, so here we have to first we consider this digit, and on the basis of the rule number first, it says if the last digit is more than 5, so we have to add +1 here. So now that digit comes 2.1246, and again if you want to rounding off this digit, its value means the last digit is more than 5, so this is also add +1 here, and the values comes 2.125. And now if you want to completely remove out rounding off one more digit, so we can follow the rule number 3 here, and the values comes, see, if the last digit is 5, so we consider the second last digit, it is odd number or it is even number. Here we are seeing this is the even number, so this becomes completely unchanged, and values comes 2.12. This is the right procedure. While we are rounding off more than one digit, we have to follow the all 3 above rules. So this is the main 4 rules while we are rounding off of any numerical value which is not considered as a significant figure. Might be this information is sufficient for you. So thanks for your patience.